your German trainer. In this video, I am going to take you through adjectival nouns. So how nouns are created from the adjectives, right? What are the rules? What are the criteria? So let's start. An adjectival noun is a noun formed from an adjective. This is done first and foremost with adjectives referring to masculine and feminine beings. You can express, for example, a blind man in one of the two ways, either as ein blinder Mann or as ein blinder, where the adjective is capitalized and the noun is understood. Likewise, with a blind woman, eine blinde Frau or eine Blinde is used. And in the plural, blind people can be expressed as blinder, where people is understood. But being in fact adjectives where the following noun is implied, these adjectival nouns are inflected like adjectives, which means that all the above examples may change when preceded by the definite articles. Example, der Blinde, die Blinde for the plural, and die Blinden. In the plural, we do something similar in English, that is the blind, the poor, the living, etc. Such nouns are derived from a limited number of adjectives on the whole. For example, der die Alte, der Arme die Arme, der Fremde die Fremde, der Kranke die Kranke, and so on. Der Beamte. Now, the feminine of this word is not an adjectival noun, but a normal noun ending in -in. Example, die Beamtin. There are certain adjectives which are derived from past participle. For example, here, der Angeklagte, die Angeklagte, der Angestellte, die Angestellte, der Bekannte, die Bekannte, der Erwachsene, die Erwachsene, der Gefangene, die Gefangene. Certain nouns are also created from present participles like der Anwesende, die Anwesende, der Reisende, die Reisende. Neuter adjectival nouns. There is another small category of adjectival nouns that are neuter. These do not refer to people like those above, but usually refers to abstract concepts. Example, das Gute, das Schlechte, das Blöde. Such neuter adjective nouns commonly follow the impersonal pronouns like alles, etwas, nichts, viel, and wenig. Weak adjectival endings. Being used after alles and strong adjectival endings after all the others. Example, ich habe schon alles Mögliche probiert. Auf Wiedersehen, alles Gute, das ist nichts Neues, etwas Besonderes. Hatte viel wenig Positives zu berichten. If you see, we have alles Mögliche, alles Gute, etwas Besonderes, wenig Positives. So I hope the session was useful for you. And if you like it, subscribe to my channel, Insightful German. Thank you for watching. I'll be back with my another video. Till then, have a great day.